كنت على أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل دمي مسانا ووجد عاشقيها.
These are the famous words to a lyrics that have taken social media and the world by storm.
أقصونه إنان كنت على أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل دمي مسانا ووجد عاشقيها.
The artist to this song, Nemo Happy, had in fact sang this now worldwide trending song 4 years ago and had very little views up until the past few weeks when all that had changed. The song now has a whopping over 200 million views on YouTube alone and counting, with many TikTok videos posted of the song. International award-winning musicians are also now joining the trend with rumors that Jason Derulo is looking to go the extra mile and collaborate in a remix with the song. The song alone now has nearly 80,000 videos posted in TikTok and is all over YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and all the social media platforms. Nemo uses in her lyrics 3 different languages, Somali, Arabic and Swahili, which is really popular in Africa, and by combining these languages into one song in a very creative way, it has earned her worldwide fame. Somali music is renowned for its artistic and poetic lyrics in the songs if listened closely, and many say this will now open the doors for Somali artists at the international scene.